Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you a method that is sometimes used to bypass course error. But I want to be very clear here that this is not a real fix. This is only for testing and learning purposes. So what we are doing here is we are not fixing the course error from the root cause. We are simply telling the browser to ignore its securities. And just to give you an idea of what course error is, it is when our front end and back end are hosted on different origins and the browser blocks them from communicating from each other. So this is a sample issue that we are facing. Our front end is on 3000 and our backend is on 5000. So let's go to the Chrome. Go to the console tab. From here, we will add a line of code which will bypass this security. Okay, so you just paste the code here. What it does is it just types in open space dash n space dash a Google Chrome args and it disables the security here. And this will help you bypass this error. Once you press enter, this command starts a new Chrome session with the web security disabled. This means that the course check are completely ignored. So if you are working on this method, this should only be a quick test just to view an API response or understand how your front end behaves. Again, this is not a permanent fix. The permanent fix should be done from your back end. So that is it for this video. If you like the video, press the like button, comment if you have any questions, and share it with your friends. And I will see you in the next one.